It's about our mindset. I'm looking for productivity enhancements. I'm looking for hacks. I'm looking for people that can teach me shortcuts to what I'm going to do anyway. Now, here's the thing. You can learn it all on your own. You can go out and find people. You hang around with other people that are interested in this, and it's a huge, huge win for you. All right? So you don't have to do any of this stuff. But man, when you start stacking it up and you're doing 5 minutes here and 10 minutes there and 50, and your mindset is, I'm going to find something this week. I'm going to find something today. I'm going to find something this month to cut the time it takes me to produce these books. So I have more time performing, more time with my kids, make more money in less time, which gives me additional options as well. So there's so many things. I can't outline all of them at once, but once we make the mindset shift to, I don't know how I'm going to do it today, but I'm going to find a way to learn and find a way to be more productive with whatever I'm doing. I can't say I'm not going to learn. I can't even say I don't have the time to learn. I have to find the time. But when I do, I get a return on that time. And that's the big critical difference. Remember, you have competitors out there that are saying, I can learn. So you need to be on that same train that they are. And really, my goal is to be faster than everybody else out there. It's not about saying I'm going to do all my learning this week or next week. It's about getting in the habit of learning a little bit each day and allowing the cumulative effect to make you much, much more productive. And then we also have the thing that our tools can change. So there may be another version of RX or Studio One or Reaper or whatever you're using, and you have to be on the lookout to see if there's something that could make you more productive. Don't just update because there's an update. Update because you can find something to make your time more productive. Doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. And almost anything we can do can be improved. So let's get our heads straight. It's mostly first, our mindset is, I'm a learner. I'm a lifelong learner. I find a way to learn more every single day. And I'm constantly looking for it. And I'm looking for the productivity hacks. Now, I want great quality, but I want it fast. And I don't believe these people say you can't have, great quality and fast and cheap. You can if you go for it. You work that out, you can do it. The most important thing is our mindset. One more time.